On December 26, 2004, an undersea megathrust earthquake off the coast of Sumatra sent shockwaves across the Indian Ocean. This titanic rupture, caused by the Indian and Burma plates, conjured one of the deadliest tsunamis in recorded history. The colossal waves, some towering over 30 meters high, mercilessly lambasted the shores of Indonesia, Thailand, Sri Lanka, and beyond, transforming idyllic coastlines into scenes of utter devastation. With little to no warning, over 230,000 lives were tragically lost, and countless more were displaced, encapsulating nature's unpredictable lethality. This cataclysmic event prompted global recognition of the need for improved tsunami warning systems and international cooperation to mitigate future tragedies. It stands as a harrowing reminder of the ocean's unyielding force and the urgency of advanced preparedness against Mother Nature's unforgiving phenomena.